Alright, Harmony Science Academy Algebra 2. We're looking at the three most missed questions from our CBA8. Alright, roughly half of everybody missed it, or I guess we can say half of everybody got it right. But I strongly believe that everybody could have gotten them right. Okay? Alright. So anyways, let's look at this one a little closer. Look at the graph, natural log of x. Okay, that one goes straight into the calculator. Alright, now of course they're asking which one is not true. So every time something's true, we can scratch it off, okay? The domain of f of x is x's bigger than 0. Okay, so if I put my pencil here, there's no graph this way. Okay, so there's no x's that way. So let me once again put this little red circle on the origin, and now I'm going to go to the x's that are what? Bigger than 0. So there is graph that way. Okay, so we can scratch this one off. Now we go to the range. Okay, and I'm using the pencil test because a lot of you guys, I guess, aren't using it. Okay, it's the easiest ticket in town, people. Let's go to the range. Okay, once again, the little red dots on the origin. Range is down and up, so if I go down, there's graph. It's all those numbers. If I go back and go up, there's graph. So yes, it's all real numbers. Okay. So no matter how you write it, you have to understand what you're writing, and that's probably what's happening. Okay. The x-intercept of f of x is 1, 0. Right. So we can see that if we go to 1, 0, it looks like that is true. And of course, half of you guys got busted with f of x has an asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, so if I come here, right now I'm at 0. If I go up, that's y equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one right here is called y equals. Okay, the line y equals. If I come here, I notice that I get close but do not touch it. That's the asymptote. That's the line x equals 0. Okay. Small little trap for you guys, and again, half of you guys fell in it, the other half probably looked at your notes, okay, and avoided that pitfall. All right, this one, okay, unique, but you guys had have all the tools in your toolbox, so let's go ahead and prove it. Okay, solutions. So you have to solve. Okay, this one is, I guess we can rewrite it carefully. Okay, so natural log is log base e squared equals 4. Okay, so there's your base. So we turn this log into an exponential. That's simple. So we can cancel. Okay. So we have x minus 1 squared equals e to the 4th plus, or, oh, sorry, jumping the gun here. Alright, because I'm pretty sure I know where we all went wrong, half of us, or whatever. Okay, so everyone should have gotten this far. The next step here is the opposite of a square is square root. Okay. And when you do this scenario, you do get a plus or minus. Okay. Why? Because if you take positive e squared times positive e squared, you get e to the 4th. If you take negative e squared times negative e squared, you get e to the 4th. Okay. So I will admit this one was tougher than what we practice. But again, you guys have these tools. And lastly, you guys want to add 1 to both sides. And we have x equals 1 plus or minus e squared. Okay. Alright. And this last one. This one, I'm going to go out there and say no one should have missed this. So if you got it right, great job. If you didn't, naughty person, because we practiced these and you guys proved you guys were awesome. So anyways, let's go ahead and use the properties basically. Okay, so we have log up here. Okay, there's different ways to write this, but we might as well just understand that we have multiplication up here. So we have log of 10 plus log of x, right, since we're multiplying. Now we are dividing, so we're going to subtract log y squared. Okay. And from there, a couple of cool things. Now this is log base 10, right? So 10 to some exponent gives you 10. That's a 1. Plus log of x. Not much we can do there. And this last one, we can go ahead and put the 2 up here in the front. Log base 10 of y. Okay. There it is. Get it in your notes. Do some reflection. And let's move on to CBA 9.